Welcome to Naya's channel. Today I am going to show you how I create eyebrows and lashes in Nomad Sculpt. I am going to start with the eyebrows. I posted a video on creating my face and head recently, so go check it out for creating a head like this. Using the crease tool, make the stroke radius as small as possible. This will give you a hair thin stroke. Make the intensity 100% and then go ahead and select your brow color. I do this because you cannot change the color of the eyebrow once done on the face. This layer should never be merged down until after you finish applying the skin color, contour, highlights, and anything else that you want to add to the face. The next thing you need to do, or we will be doing, is drawing the hairs on the face for the eyebrows. You don't need to follow anything really specific other than the proper direction of the hairs for the eyebrow. Above the corner of the eye, the hairs are directed up straight. Then towards the center of the eye, the hairs begin to curve and slant in the direction of the end of the eyebrow line. At the end of the eyebrow line, continue to curve the hairs in the same direction, rotating them until the pointing of the hair is down to the corner of the eye. You also want to create hairs towards the end of the brow that goes in the same direction, but instead of going left up, you go left down or top down, connecting those hairs at the end of the brow. Using the paint tool in erase mode, you can go ahead and refine the eyebrow by slightly erasing the front and make it look more refined and stylized. The next thing we're going to do after touching up the eyebrow is the eyelashes. And with the eyelashes, you can use the same technique for eyebrows. I don't normally do it because it does take a lot of space up on your device. So I do eyebrows this way, and then eyelashes I do another way, and I will show you that. For eyelashes, the first thing we're going to do is insert a tube on the lid, make it curved, and move the blue point until the tube is connected to the lid and pointed out away from the eye, shown here. Now I'm going to adjust the radius of the tube, only both ends. At the tip of the tube, make it thinner than the end of the tip that is touching the lid. Done, you validate this tube, and then what we're going to do is going to the insert tool, and we're going to choose instance. And what we're going to do, what that does is it will copy that eyelash that you just created, and all you need to do is just tap the lid and it will create that eyelash for you. You can rotate the pencil, or if you're using your finger or stylus, anything, to slightly adjust the I guess the direction of that lash. But doing this, you can get lashes quickly. What I do for lashes is I will create like a bunch like this, and then I'll merge all these lashes together and then repeat what I just did. I'll create that into an instance, and then I'll copy this lash going across, and I will edit it or transfer the lashes to make it look a little bit more roughed up. And this is a very fast way of creating lashes. You can do this for eyebrows as well, little curls for the hair. It's a great technique, very simple, not too much to it, and I always recommend doing this instead of having to do the using the drag tool or move tool to pull the lashes out. But this is how I create my lashes. Once my lashes are done, I go into the symmetry painting and I actually copy this lash and flip it over to the next side if I do not already have this lash mirrored. Then if my face is also not centered, I'll center those lashes and make them fit more to the other side of the eyelash. I would do the same thing for the bottom lashes. that, I merge all the lashes, all the tube layers, and then I'll turn it all black, and then there we have our lashes and our eyebrows. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the hair video, and please subscribe for any videos like this and leave any comments if you want to learn anything else.